They said, your neck's broken in 3 places. You've got floating bones. If you were to cough, sneeze, trip, anything, you could be paralyzed. But don't worry, I'm going to give you surgery. We're just going to go in through the back of your neck, slice open those muscles back there, and you're going to be fine. And I, who's hot, popped my head, Dean Malenko, right? Got the scars down the back of his neck.
Same with Arn.
Could never wrestle again.
Yeah.
And so I was like, all right, so this guy just told me if I cough or sneeze, I could be paralyzed.